Mr. Chief Minister, on this aspect of the investigation, that there are two aspects to it. One is these 8 people whom you want to join the investigation who are NRIs from Singapore. How you would get them is one challenge. Number 2 challenge is that to take this investigation forward, your investigating team also needs to go and
our investigation team is not required to go, because under AMLET, whatever Singapore police will collect evidence, they will definitely share with us. Our request has already gone. As you know that no foreign country will allow other countries' police to investigate. That is not the law. Like Singapore or American FBI cannot come to India and inquire. So they will take help from Indian police also, only. So that is why Interpol concept is there, that the police of one country will aid the other country. But nobody will allow a police of other country to inquire in their country, because that will be infringement of sovereignty. So কোনো এখন সার্বভৌম ৰাষ্ট্ৰই বিদেশী ৰাজ্যৰ পুলিচক ইনকুৱাৰী কৰিব নিদিয়ে, সহযোগিতা কৰে। সেইকাৰণে our request for legal assistance is already pending with Singapore. So whatever Singapore will collect, or they have done investigation, I think under AMLET they will share with us.
But how much hopeful you are in terms of getting the cooperation?
It is not a question of hopeful and not hopeful. We have sent a request now. As per the treaty, they should help us. So now it is not a question of 60% hopeful, 40% hopeful. It is a legal understanding between Singapore and India that India will help Singapore, Singapore will help India. So now we are waiting for that assistance.
Mr. Chief Minister, how many of them are left to arrive here?
As I told you that one is coming. I think they were total 9. So let them, I think they are also Assamese person. So, and I think they will respond one by one. It is not that they will completely, they will decide not to come. I think they will come. But generally fear factor eta thake. Gotike lahe lahe ami teolukok motivate kori thakim je apnalok ahok cooperate korok. Ar moi bhabu je hoi jabo.